Do you have chicken calves and have tried everything in the world to build your calf muscles, but your calves just won't grow? Then you need to watch this video. Hey guys, Agish here from AK Fitness, and today we're going to talk about building those calf muscles. Now, calf muscles is one of the most hardest muscles to build. It's just like the upper chest, just won't grow. So let's talk about how to build them calves, right? The major mistake which everyone you guys are doing who cannot see gains when it comes to calf muscles is you're not training them. Okay, you're not training them frequently. In order to build huge calves, you need to train them with high frequency, right? Like I said, for the upper chest, it has poor androgen receptors. Same thing for the calves. Until you are genetically gifted, your calves are not going to be big, and you need to work very hard. When I say that, you need to train calves every other day with high volume and high exercise selection. Let me break it down. You need to train your calves every other day with minimum 10 sets. All right, if you are one of the guys who are doing 4 sets at the end of the workout and then going out, trust me guys, if you have poor genetics, your calves will never grow. You need to do at least minimum 10 sets. Hit them bad boys really hard. That's the only way that's going to grow. Okay, and high exercise selection. You just can't be doing calf raises on a Smith machine and expecting them to grow. You need to be doing calf raises Smith machine with different grips. So you have 3 grips over there, the straight, the toes in, heels out, and the other way around, that is heels in, toes out. So you can do calf raises on a leg press. You can do calf raises on seated calf raises. So there are a lot of ways to hit the calves. So if you ask me, that's going to take a long time. You can just superset it with your regular workout. So if you guys are doing like chest press, you can superset chest press with calf raises and multitudes of rep ranges. Okay, so what my theory is that always go heavy. Mostly 80% of your calf raise workouts should be heavy, because you're working on your calves all day long. So if you're doing lightweight, like how other guys preach, doing 20 to 40 reps, your calves won't grow because you're working on your calves every day, so it's used to the light weight already. So you need to shock the calves and go heavy. When I say heavy, I mean super heavy. Maybe next other videos I'll be posting my calf workout, and you'll see I lift 8 plates on the calf raise machine, and my calves are pretty big. For my size, my calves are pretty big, and it has grown. If you see in my previous videos, my calves are shit, and now I train them every other day and going super heavy. 80% of my calf workouts are very heavy. So max out on every day and try to alternate the rep ranges. So if you're doing the go-to rep range, most of the time will be 5 to 8 reps, right? So I'll be doing about 160 kgs on a calf raise machine. 5 to 8 reps, about 6 sets, right? So, and then 4 sets. Once your central nervous system has been fatigued, you can't lift that much weight, then you lower the weight and increase the reps. So I'll switch to a leg press calf raise, about 20 reps, and then just pump that out and burn the muscle. So guys, train your calves every other day. I know no one trains the calf, even if you're training very little. So train it hard, train it every other day, and train it with high volume, heavy, go really heavy, like kill the calves, right? And that's how you build big ass calves. All right.